love text. You don't have to be a painter to love Glidden. Because sometimes you just get tired of white. Glidden gets you going.
Tomorrow, the pageant comes with a price.
Dress. A lot of diamonds on your anchor. Her clipper, her hair.
How far will they go?
About $3,000. Go get me more.
Will it pay off?
Oh my God, I can't believe that's my kid.